3D printed rockets have made it to space. Well, kind of. Let's deep dive into what happened during the world's first 3D printed rocket launch. My name is Grapes, and this is the Space Report. Relativity is a space launch company that uses 3D printing to build rockets. Relativity's use of 3D printing technology to build rockets is absolutely revolutionary. On March 22nd, 2023, they attempted their first launch of Terran 1, called Good Luck, Have Fun, GLHF for short, from Launch Complex 16 in Cape Canaveral, Florida. The launch window opened at 10 p.m. Eastern Time, with liftoff not occurring until roughly 11:25 p.m. Eastern Time. Terran 1 is an impressive two-stage, 110-foot tall, 7.5-foot wide expendable rocket that is the largest 3D printed object of its kind and first to attempt orbital flight. This approach makes Terran 1 one of the most cost-effective and environmentally friendly rockets on the market. After a brief series of holds for Mother Nature in a rogue boat, LD said,
LD, go for launch.
And the countdown began.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 1. Lift off.
Terran 1 has cleared the tower.
Control maneuver starting. Launch pad facing. Max Q.
Spectators watched in awe as the beautiful blue plume from the world's first Methalox engine passed Max Q, one of the most important parts of flight. However, during the second stage ignition that you see on your screen right now, the rocket experienced an anomaly, causing the mission control team to quickly follow anomaly protocol. Although the rocket did not reach its intended destination, the Relativity team demonstrated their expertise and determination in their ability to launch a rocket despite the many obstacles they faced. After the anomaly occurred, the rocket had to crash land, unfortunately, in the Atlantic Ocean, which was a planned contingency. Relativity recovery teams are currently working to recover the rocket and collect valuable data from this mission, which will be used to make improvements to future launches, future launch vehicles, and to further the advancement of space exploration. It is important to note that this is just a guess, as all information is to be considered preliminary, and a thorough investigation of the data and other factors involved in the launch will be required to determine the exact cause of the anomaly, but based on the information provided, it's possible that the periodic puffs of flame was unfortunately combustion instability. As you heard on the comms here,
Announcement on countdown, this is the LD. There has been a T plus anomaly with stage 2. LC, please begin anomaly procedure section 25. Copy.
Unfortunately, there was a stage 2 T+ anomaly. Again, combustion instability occurs when that combustion process within the engine becomes a little unstable, causing fluctuations in pressure and temperatures that can lead to the disruption of that flame pattern. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, Relativity, Terran 1's rocket launch may have not gone as planned, but it is an accomplishment that has accomplished many successes. The use of the Methalox engine, most importantly, a 3D printed rocket, the team's ability to launch a rocket despite having overcome many obstacles is truly a significant milestone in the field of space exploration. Thank you for watching. My name is Grapes, and this is the Nighttime News Space Report.